Hi, welcome back. 3-letter blends, learn phonics. Benchmark first grade, Unit 4, Week 3. Scr, ap, scrap. A scrap is any little piece that's left over, like scrap metal. Scr, am, scram. Scram is when you tell somebody to get out of here. Hey, scram. Scr, atch, scratch. Scr, unch, scrunch. Scr, ipt, script. She is reading the script to get ready for the play. Scr, uff, scruff. The mama kitty picks up the kitten by the scruff of its neck. Scr, ub, scrub. Get it clean. Spol, at, splat. Spol, it, split. Spol, int, splint. A splint is something that holds a bone in place so it can heal when it is hurt. Spol, ash, splash. Spur, int, sprint. Sprint means run really fast. Spur, ing, spring. Spring can be a season of the year, or it can be a coiled piece of metal. Squa, id, squid. Squa, odd, squad. A squad is any group of people working together for one purpose. Squa, ish, squish. Squa, int, squint. You squint if you can't see well or if the sun is bright. Stir, ap, strap. Stir, etch, stretch. Stir, ip, strip. A strip of bacon. Yum. Stir, ing, string. Hey, thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Oh, stir, strum. She will strum the guitar. Okay, that's really it. See you next time. Bye-bye.